don't have a brush, so I'm doing it one hand. So put a little bit of vegetable oil on it so it doesn't get burnt. I've already seasoned it or marinated exact. Let's go cooking the whole chicken here. Put a little bit of oil on it. So now these are chicken from my backyard, all right? Get all the oil in there real good. Okay, so all the chickens are ready. Marinated, put a little bit of oil on it, inside, outside. Sorry I didn't have a brush, but I'm a guy, so I don't care about using a brush. I just use my hand. So it's all ready for the grill. I already got the fire prep outside. So we will take this and put it on the grill, all right? All right. Now, 2 chickens are going to be clamped here. Just like that. Still one more over here. I'll use that other one for it. So I'm going to stop the recording and put that on. So as I said again, here it is. And on this side, I have this big boy. So there you go. Got my coal all nice and hot down there. And I usually try to cook the inside first because the skin is easy to burn. So I place the inside first. So the coals are nice and hot. So after continuous flipping, this is what we get, nice and brown. Oh yeah, it's actually almost ready. So we'll brown the inside and then we'll take it out. Look at that. That looks delicious, guys. There it is, guys. Look at that. My favorite piece is the heart right here. Nice and golden brown.